What is going on, everybody? Frank AZHP Collectibles here with another classic Topps pack opening. We have 1988, 1989, 1990, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Now, the only difference between this video and the last video is if you saw my most recent mail time video, you'll see I picked up 10 of the Series 1 retail from Topps 1995. They may be stuck together. These feel pretty good, actually. So my video has been kind of long, especially these ones, because they take me so long to open, and I do enjoy the cards, so I'm going to try to get through this fairly quickly. We got 88 and 88 Cello, 89 Wax, 90 Wax, 90 Cello, 91 Wax, 92 Series 1, 2, and High, 93 Series 1, Series 1 Jumbo, and Series 2, 94 Series 1 and 2, and now 95 is Series 1 Retail, Series 1 Hobby, and Series 2 Hobby. So, last time I started with 95 and worked my way back, because I consider the 88 stuff to be the good stuff, but I think I'm going to do it first this time. I'm going to do it in order. So, 88, feel the gum here. Hopefully it hasn't ruined a good card, but good 88 Wax. Oh, you know what? I got to do background real quick. I know it's a little difficult to see the grades here because of the way I have them stacked, but 88 Topps, Vinny Testaverde rookie, PSA 9. 89 Topps, Chris Carter rookie, PSA 9. 90 Topps, Troy Aikman second year, PSA 9. Dermenti Dawson, PSA 9 from 91. Randall Cunningham, 92 Topps, PSA 8. We got a John Lynch rookie with three other rookies there from 1993 Topps, PSA 9. 94 Topps, Marshall Faulk, PSA 8 rookie. And a 1995 Topps Deion Sanders, PSA 9. All right, let's get started. We got 88. 88 Topps. Get ourselves a Dolman or a Bo or a Kevin Green or something. Let's see. All right, well, our gum-stained card is Greg Townsend. I'm just going to toss that off to the side, and I'm going to do a little flip here. All right. All right, so starting us off, we got receiving leaders, Altoon and JT Smith. Frank Pollard. Daron Cherry. Carl Mecklenburg. There's a Hall of Fame. Mike Singletary. It's pretty badly cut, but it is what it is. All right, Jim Breach and a Jerry Rice scoring leaders. Hall of Fame, but subset, so I won't keep. We got our 1,000 yard club is JT Smith. We got a Steve Largent. That's really, I mean, other than having a little dent up here, it's a little miscut, but Steve Largent, Hall of Famer. Joe Jacoby. Oh, Chris Dolman rookie. RIP, just 2020. Just passed away about 3 months ago, but amazing defensive end. Pretty decent centering. It looks like it's a 40-60. That's it's good to have. Hall of Fame rookie card. Michael Carter, Jim Jeffcoat, Moise Tadupu. I never knew how to pronounce this guy's name. Danny White card. Jim Covert, and that is the Wax pack. So we'll move on to the Cello. Alright, what is it? How many cards? 30 cards. One of them being the 1,000 yard club. Let's get that gum out of here. Gum, more gum. There it is. Alright. Alright. What do we got? DJ Dozer, Leonard Smith, Dalton Hilliard, Pat Swilling rookie. Not a Hall of Fame, but very, very good linebacker. Tony Zendejas. Warren Moon, base. Hey, wow, look at that. Looks like it has pretty good centering. Looks like it's got a little mark over here. But that's what I'm talking about. How's that look? Surface looks pretty decent. Centering looks pretty nice. How's the back? Not bad. Not bad at all. Good centering there. All right, so we got ourselves a Bo rookie. I don't know if it'd be a PSA 10 grade, but it's pretty nice. And a Neil Anderson rookie. That one looks like it's got some surface issues there, but Pete Metzelaars, another Steve Largent, another Joe Jacoby, and another Chris Dolman rookie. Wow, that's been a great cello. Michael Carter, Stacy Turan, our 1,000 yard club is Mike Quick. Another Mike Singletary, all right. Also kind of miscut. This seems to be a repeat of the last pack, but in cello form, which is interesting. Scoring leaders, Jerry Rice, subset. Greg Townsend, this is his third year. Kind of badly miscut there. Andre Reed, Hall of Famer. Mark Murphy, Curtis Duncan, Henry Ellard, Jerome Brown, rookie. He was a good defensive lineman. We got Sammy Winder, Broncos team card. Randall Cunningham, second year. That's cool. Bill Fralick, Chip Banks, Steve Young, Mark Clayton, I'm going to keep, and a Boomer Esiason team card. All right, so 88 wasn't bad. 88 treated us pretty well here. You know what? I want to get this bow sleeved up right away. So 1 second. All right, which ones are my good sleeves? Yeah, definitely want to sleeve up the bow. All right, very happy to have that. Cool. All right, so moving along, we got 1989. Get this pack out of the way here. 1989 wax. We got a Buffalo Bills team card that's kind of stained, so I'll get rid of that. Yeet. Do a little flip. All right, and we have Broncos punter Mike Horan, Kevin Cole, Roy Green, Scott Case, Wilbur Marshall, Simon Fletcher, Curtis Adams. We have a Drew Hill at 1,000 Yard Club. Shane Conwin, Doug Williams, team card for the Redskins, Jeff Donaldson, Thomas Everett, Lars Tate, Lonzel Hill, and Van McElroy. So a whole lot of nothing out of 1989. All good. Can't win them all. Moving on to 1990 wax. 90 wax. Man, I can't believe 30 years old at this point. It's crazy. All right, we got Eric Allen. He was a great cornerback. Marion Butts, or Marion, no, it is Marion Butts. I looked it up. Marion Butts. Dave Miggett, Scott Norwood, Greg Montgomery, Henry Thomas, Albert Bentley. Our 1,000 Yard Club is Bobby Humphrey. Thane Gash, Dwayne Woodruff, Eugene Robinson, Tim Rosenbaugh. I should probably start recording on my top screen. Here we are. Tony Castillas, Bobby Humphrey, Cortez Kennedy, Hall of Fame rookie card. I'll take it. Sweet. May not get a lot of credit in the hobby, clearly, as a defensive tackle, but was extremely dominant. And speaking of dominant, not in the Hall of Fame, but Carl Banks. Very cool. 1990 Cello, or yeah, Cello. I don't know if they did a jumbo Cello of 90. I think they did. I can't remember. There was so many variations of packs. So, alright, let's see. Jim Sweeney. That's a horribly, horribly miscut card. Hopefully that's not a sign of things to come in this pack. Jim Sweeney, Leslie O'Neal, Doug Smith, Kevin Haberdink, Derek Hill, Chip Banks, Larry Kennebrew, Scott Davis, Keena Turner, Simon Fletcher, David Galloway. Man, look at that cut. That is atrocious. The back's okay. Roy Green, Johnny Rembert, Jerry Olowski, Mark Stock, Robert Clark, Brian Blades, Ray Donaldson, Michael Wilcher, Stanley Morgan, Tony Easton, Bill Brooks, Mark Carrier. 1990 has not been treating us well, you guys. We have a 1,000-yard club of Sterling Sharp. That's kind of cool. Dwayne Bickett, Gary Reasons, Vi Sinkma, Bubba Paris, Lewis Sharp, Ron Stallworth, Isel Jenkins, Andy Heck, Mike Munchak, Hall of Fame. I'll take that. Jim Driga, and Rich Moran. So yes, 1990 was not very kind to us here. We did get a Hall of Fame rookie card, so that's kind of cool. But we got a lot of junk in there. Alright, moving on. Only pack of 1991. 91 wax. Let's see what we have here. Do the little flip. Alright, we have Todd Callis, Magic Man, Sean Collins, David Griggs, Steve Jordan, Kevin Fagan. Our 1,000-yard club is Thurman Thomas, Pat Swilling, John Jackson, Mark Murphy, Ed Reynolds, Ricky Irvins, Matt Brock, Hugh Green, Mike Shad, and Brad Muster. So a whole lot of nothing there in 1991. Not getting the best of luck in 90 and 91, but it's all good. We got 92 Series 1. Hopefully we get a good gold here. That's what I want. I want a good gold card. I want a Hall of Famer gold. Do I need a flip? It looks like I do, kind of. Off camera. Alright. Alright, David Richards. Renna Thompson. Michael Walter. Our gold. Tunch Ilkin. Camera's not liking that gold there. There we go. Ken Lanier. Pete Stoyanovich. Jeez. The flips here. Scott Case, Neil O'Donnell, Mike Merriweather, Broderick Thompson, Pepper Johnson, Rob Taylor, John Offerdahl, Mike Pitts, and Terry McDaniel. He's a pretty good cornerback. Autofocus is really not digging me today, that's for sure. Alright, we're moving on to Series 2. Series 2. What do we got? Ted Washington. Bruce Pickens. Joe Bowden. I will flip. Will Wolford. Sean Jefferson. Anthony Thompson. Vince Newsom. Come on, autofocus. What is going on today? Richard Brown. Brian Millard. Our gold is a Broderick Thomas. Eric Moore. Chris Gardocki. Jesse Hester. Donnie Elder. And a Lewis Tillman. All right, so as usual, Series 1 and 2 kind of sucked. We'll see what high number gives us, because high number series always comes in clutch with a lot of Hall of Famers, because that's what it does. Chris Holder, Chad Hennings, Gary Conklin, Martin Bayless, Joel Steed, Carl Pickens, Tony Smith, Dion Lambert, Patrick Rowe, our gold, hey, Jim Kelly. Now, I think I got one of these recently in the mail time, within the last couple mail time episodes, but this might be in better shape. So that's really good. Hall of Fame gold, I'll take it. All right, Jason Hansen, Lance Alberding, Tracy Scroggins, Derek Brown, and Mark Wheeler. So actually 92 barely showed up at all. We got one Hall of Famer in the whole thing, and it was Jim Kelly gold. Okay, so moving on to 93. 93 Series 1. What do we got? Man, we're at 17 minutes already. It's crazy. Trying to get through fairly quickly here, guys. I mean, you know what you get when you come to watch the vid. Alright, we got Marvin Washington, Andre Collins, Bubba McDowell, team leader Barry Foster subset, Drew Bledsoe, rookie. Very cool. John Copeland, Dwayne Harper, Reggie Roby. Our gold is an Eric Metcalf. That's cool. Ray Crockett, Nick Bell, Flipper Anderson, Willie Flipper, Roger Craig on the Vikings. That's weird to see. Sterling, I'm going to put him here. I think he's going to get into the Hall. Sterling Sharp and Nate Lewis. All right, moving on to the Jumbo 93. Hopefully we can get some good golds in here. 2 golds per pack in the Jumbo. Do I need a flip? I do not. All right. Jim Harbaugh, Steve Wisniewski, John Vaughn, Kenneth Davis, first gold, Steve Ettman, the draft bust. Autofocus not liking me again. And Jackie Slater. All right, I'll take a Hall of Fame gold. Very cool. Happy about that one. Marion Butts, franchise player Neil Smith, Tommy Maddox, future star subset, Jim Everett, Eric Curry, Buccaneers rookie, Benny Blades, Trace Armstrong, James Washington, John Roper, Pat Terrell, Rodney Peete, and Andy Harmon. All right. Series 2. Not a lot of rookies in Series 2. But I don't know. There are rookies that were also in Series 1 that are also in Series 2. I guess we're starting off with the gold. Pat Chaffee, Clarence Vernon, Neil Anderson, Steve Tasker. He was a great special teams player. He made the Pro Bowl a lot for special teams. He would make some great tackles on the kick returner. Greg Jackson, Eric Allen, fantastic. Kevin Fagan, Charles Mann, Troy Ozen, Wayne Simmons, Levon Kirkland, Chris Hinton, Lomas Brown, Charles Arbuckle, and Ronnie Harmon. Sharing that time with Marion Butts on the Chargers. Alright, so we are moving on to 1994. We got 2 packs of 94, starting with Series 1 here. As usual, Finest 1 in 36, and Special Effects 1 and 2. Special Effects being the being the parallel. Can I open this? Oh my gosh. Do I need to get a knife? Seriously? This is wild. I need some scissors to open up a 1994 pack. All right. Hey, that's a good start. Even though it's a subset, that's kind of cool. Measures of Greatness, Michael Irvin. David Palmer, rookie. Joe King. We got a special effects. It is Willie Greer. We got a Bryce Pop. He was a sack machine. We have Eric Hill. Dan Williams. J.B. Brown. Courtney Hall. Derek Moore. Keith Byers. And a Ricardo McDonald. So not much in Series 1. Let's hope we get a banger in Series 2. That is definitely not as difficult to open. All right, Eric Bell. We have a Brad Otis rookie. Hey, Ricky Jackson, there's a Hall of Famer. Rick Meyer, everybody's, oh wow, that's our special effects, and it got ruined as well. So, I'm not going to shed any tears over that one. Matt Brock. Eric Malhoum, rookie. John Theory, rookie. Oh, I almost missed one. We got Steve McMichael. Oh my gosh, that's weird. That's really weird. Steve McMichael in a Packers uni. Look at that. Bears, 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 Bears. We got Rocket Ismail. Doug Pelfrey. Corey Widmer. Tom Rowan. I don't know. Lots of names. Alright, so final 1995. We got Series 1. This is the Series 1 retail. Now, as far as I know, the only difference between retail and hobby is the finest refractor, instead of being 1 in 36, is 1 in 432. And the Sensational Sophomores is retail exclusive. So that's pretty cool. Everything else, I'm pretty sure, is the same. Power Booster, finest, is same odds. Hit List, same odds. Yep. And there's Yesteryear in the hobby, which are 1 in 72, 1 in every, 3 boxes? So, look at this. Look at this. This is wild. Good old 90s packs. Seem a little stuck as well, but Luther Ellis, rookie. Tony Baselli, rookie. Keeper. Future Hall of Famer, in my opinion. I think he's going to get in. I hope he gets in. I think he deserves it. He had a short career, but he was a beast. O.J. McDuffie. Heath Schuler. Rod Woodson, Hall of Famer. Randall McDaniel, Hall of Famer. Curtis Conway. We have a Chris Mims. Glenn Milburn. Something stuck here. Randall Cunningham. All right, cool. A checklist. 1,000 yard club Emmitt Smith. And a 3,000 yard club of Stan Humphries. That's a little ruined. Hopefully the Emmett's not ruined on the back. No, it looks good. Cool. All right, so nothing there in retail. Let's see what we got in the hobby. Oh my gosh. Hey, another Tony Baselli rookie. How about that? That's cool. Oh, I'm down with that. 2 Tony Maselli rookies in 2 packs. I am 100% okay with that. All right, let's see. Chris Zorich, Michael Haynes. Oh yes, we got a mystery. A running back. We don't know who it is. We're gonna have to peel it. I was just talking about this last mail time. Vintage Cards Only sent me a mystery finest, and I was just talking about how it had like the black film. So now I get to peel one for myself. Martin Mayhew, William Roberts. I think I'm gonna save that to the end of the video. Marcus Turner. We got a hit list. That's a subset. Yep. Hardy Nickerson. Chad Brown, Glenn Milburn, a Warren Sapp rookie. Sweet. Happy about that. Herman Moore, Chris Warren. All right. This has been pretty good so far, guys. All right. So, last pack, Series 2. These are a little on the stuck side, but all good. All right. Steve Young, Super Bowl touchdown record subset. We got a Joe Montana base. That's a beautiful card. Kimball Anders, Heath Goganus, I don't know. I'm not even going to try. Let me see if I can do a flip here. All right. Audrey Beavers, Rodney Hampton, John Copeland. We got a Brett Favre, Darren Carrington, Anthony Cook rookie, Chris Carter Hall of Fame, and a Jerome Bettis Hall of Fame. All right, so our options. There's our options, guys. I mean, I would love to have a Barry Sanders or an Emmitt Smith or a Jerome Bettis or a Marshall Faulk. But you never know. I mean, whatever. I'll take anybody. But those are the guys that I would really want. I want to be careful. I don't know how well this is going to peel. Oh, that looks like a refractor to me. Oh. Seahawks. All right, so it's Chris Warren. Yeah, it's Chris Warren. I mean, that's still cool. It's still cool. I don't care. Man, that is beautiful. Look at the shine on that. Oh man, mystery finest are so cool. $19.95. All right, well, now that the video is at 30 minutes, sorry for taking so long, guys. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Thanks for watching. I got the mail time as the next episode, so check that out. And I know I haven't been doing like the whole highlight clips on the bottom right or the bottom left in the TV recently. Mainly, it just takes so long from an editing perspective, and I've been working on a lot of other projects recently. You know, obviously I'm Frank AZHP Collectibles, but I go by Frank AZHP online. On Twitter and everywhere else, and on Instagram as well. And I also run a gaming channel that I've been running for about 15 years. So that is Frank AZHP Gaming. If you're interested in checking that out, I do a lot of different stuff there. Play a little bit of everything. Used to run tournaments a lot back in the day. So, but either way, if you're interested in checking me out there, go for it. But either way, check out the Instagram right here. Ding, and And go check out my eBay. I'll put the link in the description. I haven't been selling as much on eBay, but I'm still kind of active on it. I need to list a lot more. I do have a lot more plans to list more within the next, 2 to 3 weeks. But either way, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next vid. Peace.